Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this is Chevy Cobalt is a crankshaft sensor. So guys, I will remove the stuff which is covering up all the way to the sensor. So I'm just going to show you how to basically access the sensor and how to remove it. Okay, first things first, you have to take the starter away from the way which is covering. So what I'm doing right here guys, this is I have to go under the car. That is the easiest way to access the crankshaft sensor. So this is basically what I did. I removed the starter. So the starter is being held up by two balls right here. When you see right here, one ball is down here and then the other one is hidden guys. It's just up here. Let me see if I can get the angle well. If you see next to the crankshaft sensor right there in the back, yeah, the second ball is just goes right straight through there. So these are 15mm balls. So there are two. You move them once that is done. Guys, you don't need to disconnect the starter. You just leave it the way it is. You just push it to the side. The wires will go to the crankshaft, the wire which comes to the starter guys. You just leave them intact. You don't remove any, so it won't short on anywhere on the car. So you have to disconnect this connector going to the crankshaft sensor. You take it out of the way. Once you do that guys, you remove the bolt holding the crankshaft sensor. It's a 8mm, so it's a tight spot. So you just need a small wrench and you just get in there and then do. It's very important guys to have a WD-40. It's going to help you when you're taking it out because it's so tight. Mine here guys is very tight. I've been trying to pull it out for a while right now, but it's still tight. So I'm just gonna pour this WD-40 on in. Yeah, don't mind, I'm putting a lot, but this is going to help me pull it out. So let me try it out this time around. Okay, you wiggle it guys, you just push it, you just like you shift up, you push it down, you try pushing guys the base of the where the ball goes to. You push it up, you push it down, you push it up, you push it down, you keep twisting it around, twist it around to give you access and to allow the sensor to pave way, at least to give you access to pull it out. So the way I'm using guys, I pushed it to the side, so I'm gonna add more WD-40 to maybe help it like smoothen it out, and then I'm gonna just try it again. Too bad guys, I'm not seeing this coming out, so I'm gonna use a flat head. So I just use it gently, just push it slowly from both sides, and to make sure guys I don't break it, so that no part can remain inside. So I have to just do this very gently. Yeah, so guys, maybe your sensor might be different, maybe it's easy to pull out, but mine's giving me some difficulties pulling out, but it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out guys. Just give it a moment. This thing will be out in no minute. Yeah, I think I can pull out from here. Yeah, here we go. This is my sensor guys. So the sensor is out. So once you get it out, you put another one in. So guys, this is how it looks like from inside. This is our crankshaft sensor position. That's where it's where it picks up the sensor. So guys, make sure once you do that, you do the reverse for it once you've done installing the new one.